What's up, everybody? It's your boy Marcelo coming at you. I'm at TT's house. I'm going to leave on Sunday. So, today's the funniest meme ever. Remember, I got 6 videos on Plants vs. Zombies on my first funniest meme ever. If I have 5 more, if I had more than 5 videos, I could do this funniest meme ever. Only like 6, 7, or 8. That's fine, or like 9 or 10. Do those or you could try 10 videos. So, we're going to learn about Angry Birds. Remember our 3 funniest meme ever. Hey, where's the remote? Oh, there it is. So, remember for my birthday, the funniest meme ever in Marcelo history. We go over the ID1 videos. And you know the second one is PS5. We got my bonuses, the funniest meme ever, Marcelo history, and then the first one. It's been like 4 months. I love the old funniest meme ever. Now let's go over the Angry Birds video. Alright, we're gonna stop at the craziest part. Portal Arena Combat. I should have uploaded this video back then when I have weaker cards. I just upgraded my slingshot. I'm gonna go see, I'm singing the Powerpuff Girls outro, you know? So, we have a lot of portals, gravity, because it's a combat. We got bubbles. And there's no Blossom. Just kidding. You know the little bird, which is Bubbles? I'm singing the Powerpuffs outro and intro. You know, comment down below you love the Powerpuff Girls. Let's continue on for these meme members. Actually, I want everybody to look over there. So, let's get... Hell's been 2 minutes already. Who cares? See, we got blue portals, we got pink portals, and then orange portals. Look, there's orange portals. I don't know why it's got to be portal season, but season 41 is going to end. So, it's about to end, and also the Mighty Eagles boot camp has been ended. Like for 2 days ago. So, let's show the pink portals. The pink portals on this section of the map is... You know, it goes the same thing all over again, like round and round, like wheels on a bus go yeet and yeet, 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 yeet. Wheels on the pig goes round and round, all the way to Angry Birds. Look at that. I tried other rounds because I finished my streak, and I went to the clan battle. You know, we did a clan battle. That's a part of the combat. We got Melody, Red, Bubbles for the Powerpuff Girls. She was in the Sheesh battle for the Christian Line Gamers in the Sheesh battle. If you see season 2, round 8. Let me know. Subscribe, you see the Crystal Line Gamers, and you love them. And we finish with this part. And man, why does keep glitching? Look at this. George, tough it up, / lighten up, boy. I want it to be a YouTube short.
George, what's the matter?
Bro, he needs to lighten up. We're about to be running out of time because it's been 4 minutes. What a birdie is a close score, Portal Arena. Man, I thought all of my opponents are gonna win. I thought my opponents is gonna get cooked. I thought that balloon is going to the portal.
You got something to do with Stanley?
A hat, not head. So by the way, whoa. It's a school hat, like back to school. I'm about to complete the school event where this school is here. I can't wait for it. School's out, ring the bell, la 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 la. It's for officials. Let me just shut up because I keep talking too much in the funny speed list. You know what? It's not even funny anymore. Not just funny anymore. Well, oh! Hey guys, hold up. There's a funny part, so look. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Day today. Hold up, 3, 2. This guy wants to follow down the stairs around. What's up, everybody? Oh my god. Okay, she's chilling. So by the way, oh! Hey guys, I forgot to do that in the third funny speed level. Watch. Okay. Look at this look at those two troublemakers over there. No, don't get me. I'm part of recording my YouTube video, you jerk. Oh my gosh. That dude fight worse than a girl. My opponents have a really close score. See, I don't know how to look at this. It's just like a blank space. And also, by the way, let's get to the part. The opponents have some max level cards. Those max level cards are so impossible. Look at Stella the How. I went to ancient bronze on my slingshot on today, so let's get to the part. We was facing a really hard opponent who was smart. Well, I thought it was gonna be cooked. That would be cooked. Try to, I just messed everything up. I thought I was gonna lose on that, but what a lucky start! What a lucky start! Speaking of lucky, do you know what kind of luck is it? Super Lucka Bird. So let's get all of these. Look at my new YouTube videos. We got Rosie hacking on Cahoots. PVC try not to laugh. It was so good. So here comes Super Lucka Bird. I was so lucky in the arenas. I'm not in gold anymore. I'm in amethyst, which is we all know. And also, by the way, my microphone was on mute. That's just really stupid of my iPad. We were so lucky because I was smarter than all the opponents. And we get to buy ourselves a treasure chest. But I wish I was that lucky to get that treasure chest. To get that 700 coin. That token, you know. We just opened 100 rare chests. Upgraded Matilda. Yeah. There's nothing exciting about the funniest meme ever. The funniest meme ever is about to be funny. And I'm just making it boring. Like the video to help me, everyone. We need some help. Hold up. This might crack you up. Can you guess what's crack you up? Crash out.
I hope I can feel this.
I was so angry because I failed. Because my opponents, and my layout was so stupid and dumb. See, I'm losing. The Mighty Manchoy don't lose it. The Mighty Manchoy hate losing. Okay, let me stop that crying. I just exploded. And also, by the way, let's learn about some OG OP stuff about P-Vine. I don't know. Maybe we should do that at the end of the video, the funniest meme ever. Just don't mind me, he just ruined everything. This is all the beginning of Angry Birds. I missed the game and all. I have missed a lot of stuff. Man, such a good idea to get back on the game. And everybody sucks. Not even you guys. So comment down below you love being such a hacker at Angry Birds. There's one hacker you need to meet. You know what's the hacker who got all the hats, got all the max level eggs for their birdie.
Cause you gotta stop your YouTube video. Come on, go get us some snacks. Yeah, he did the living room clean and the girls' room clean.
And also, by the way, I can't just end this like this. And also, by the way, about Angry Bird, I said the bird howl, not the cuss word. I said howl, H-A-L. Something's wrong with Angry Birds, by the way. Is that all we face? We face every single bird. Every single birdie action. Gotta do the premium place. Even got escape routes. Hey, guess what? Let's see this. Let's learn about P-Vine. And this arena about P-Vine is super OP. And also, we know about OP stuff about it. Let's see George cry.
Sorry, George. It's only bad.
Man, George needs to lighten up.
George, what's the matter?
George does not know where Mr. Dinosaur is.
The detective? Maybe.
Bro.
Oh dear. You shouldn't tease George like that. Sorry, George.
Bro, she's louder than the sheesh battle. Than the sheesh battle.
You mustn't play so roughly with George. He's only little.
George and Pepper are very good sheeshers in the sheesh battle, you know, from season 6. What round was it? Round 4, I guess. So, I guess this is it. I hope you see my video on 4th of July. Earth is good. Let's stick around for some free versus preview. Going on. See ya.
Free versus premium.